Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can manage sound of end signal in Bosch Washing Machine Series 4. So in the first step, turn on your device and set the control dial to the first position. Now hold the spin button and switch the control dial to the second position. Okay, one more time. Now we are in the settings mode. If you want to manage the end signal, leave it on the second position, and now you can manage the function by the delay button. The one is a minimum loudness, the second one, third one and fourth one is a maximum. So we can manage this function this way. If you want to switch it off, just set it to the 0, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.